Good morning from the workshop. We got an upgrade. A pretty old one actually. This is a typewriter made by Triumph in 1956. So it's way older than I am. Look at this beauty. It's actually hella fun to use it. I mean, look at the sound. It's so good. It looks so clean. Unfortunately, the paint is empty. We gotta change that. So we're going to use it to write something down, to put something handwritten into your orders. It's just great, just so beautiful. Sometimes the good old stuff is just nice. It's slow, it lasts forever, it's timeless, it's clean, so it actually fits perfect the brand. And it's super heavy. Just put it here where it belongs, next to the vinyl record player.